Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna introduce you a sukiyaki. So sukiyaki is a dish in which meat is seasoned sweetly with soya sauce and sugar and cooked. So in my hometown, we usually eat this dish on New Year's Eve. So for me, it's a special occasion treat. So some of the ingredients used in this dish can't get easy in supermarket. So this is a bit missing from the concept of my channel. My apologies. However, I hope that people who watch this video will one day visit Japan to eat the sukiyaki. So, okay, let's get started.
So, okay, these are the ingredients for today. These are the standard ingredients for sukiyaki, and it's impossible to put all the ingredients in the pot at once. So when you finished eating, you can add more to the pot for consumption. So next are the ingredients for warishita sauce. So warishita sauce is a broth made from a combination of several seasonings. This sauce is an essential of our family's sukiyaki. So okay, the first step is to make a warishita sauce. It's very easy to make. Just put all the ingredients in a bowl and mix. So in Japan, you can buy warishita sauce in supermarkets, but we always make our own because we can adjust the taste to our liking. So okay, next, cut the crown daisy. So cut the crown daisy into pieces about 5 cm long and place them on a plate. So okay, next, cut the leek diagonally about 1.5 cm thick. So after cutting all of them, place them on a plate. So okay, and then next, let's cut the shiitake mushrooms. So okay, cut the stem of the shiitake mushrooms and make a thin score on the surface. This is to make it easier for the heat to penetrate. So I wanted to cut the thinner score, but I still have a longer way to go. So cut pieces of shiitake mushrooms are also put in the pot and eaten later. So okay, and then next, cut the grilled tofu into bite-sized pieces. So okay, next is the konjac noodles. So normally you need to boil it to remove the scum, but this is not necessary with the product. So this is lightly rinsed and placed in a small bowl. So now everything is ready, so prepare the ingredients for the sukiyaki pot. So set the heat to medium and add about 1.5 teaspoons of veggie oil. So add the leek first and cook until surface starts to brown. So this is to transfer the fragrance of the leek to the oil. So okay, once the leeks are cooked, remove them all. And then add the beef and cook lightly on both sides. When all the meat is cooked, add the vegetables and pour in the warishita sauce. So by the way, I haven't told you yet, but there are 2 ways to make sukiyaki in Japan. The style I make is called Kanto style. The characteristic of this style is addition of warishita sauce and simmering. The other is called Kansai style. This doesn't add warishita sauce, but add sugar, soya sauce, and other seasonings and bakes it. So in brief, this dish used to exist as separate dishes in the Kansai and the Kanto regions. However, after the Great Kanto earthquake 80 years ago, the 2 recipes, which were similar in method of preparation, were unified and became the current sukiyaki. Therefore, there are 2 styles of sukiyaki. So okay, all the ingredients have been added to the sukiyaki pot. Add the warishita sauce and heat until the ingredients are cooked. So okay, sukiyaki is ready. Doesn't it look delicious? So sukiyaki is usually served with beaten egg, but if you dislike egg, don't need to use them because it has already seasoned. So eggs in Japan are very strictly quality controlled, so there is no need to worry about salmonella. So eggs bought in supermarkets can be eaten raw. So if you are not in the habit of eating eggs raw, you may find this hard to believe, but sweetly seasoned beef and beaten eggs are a perfect match. So hope you will try it one day. So, okay, after finishing the sukiyaki, there is usually still some sauce left. So, we add the udon at the end. So, it's very tasty because there is a lot of meat and vegetable flavor in the leftover sauce. So, heat over medium heat until the udon is cooked. Or you can add the cooked rice instead of udon to make a risotto. So finally sprinkle with chopped spring onion and the udon is ready to serve. So doesn't it look good? So it's also very tasty. I promise you're gonna love it. So okay, thank you for watching guys and see you in my next video. Bye!